Alur Nereus is making lunch for 80 people. She used to cook for a living before the earthquake, but didn't have the money to get started again afterwards. Now Oxfam is paying her to cook every day, and the meals are given out for free to the most vulnerable families in the area. They're guaranteed 1 square meal a day for 2 months.
Bonjour. Bonjour, je suis Philippa d'Oxfam.
It's part of a programme to get people back on their feet after the earthquake in January. While people are getting free food, the Oxfam team encourages them to think about their future and gives them grants to help them get started in business again.
Haiti was an extremely fragile country economically even before the earthquake, so coupled with that the disruption to market support, the loss of income, I mean it was absolutely imperative from a food security perspective that people were recapitalised or at least given a means of income and access to employment as soon as possible.
C'est un local qu'on nous emprunte, donc c'est une école.
Oui.
Oxfam has concentrated its livelihood programme here in the Carrefour Foy area of Haiti's capital, Port-au-Prince. But it's also working across the country. In the first 6 months since the earthquake, it's helped more than 20,000 families.
Et c'est Philippa.
Bonsoir.
These people are halfway through their 2-month allowance of free meals. They've come to find out more about the livelihood grants, the next stage to help them become independent again.
Et puis nous te répondons, nous te dit, man, te dit, bro, Brésil l'argent nous. Après, mais c'est ça au bon nous. Après.
Esther Guillaume runs the livelihood programme in Port-au-Prince.
Il y a déjà la pauvreté dans cette zone. C'est une zone assez, je dirais, vulnérable. Et pourquoi aussi? C'est parce qu'après les tremblements de terre, les gens avaient perdu tout ce qu'ils avaient. Nous avons fait une évaluation et ils ont demandé de la nourriture, de l'argent pour relancer leur activité et nous avons répondu à leur réponse, à leur demande en fait.
Yasmin Charles is one of the people who's benefiting from the programme. She got free meals from one of the canteens and used her grant to set up a small drink stall. Her home was destroyed in the earthquake. Her younger sister and brother were killed and she was injured as she ran out of the house.
Oui, c'était très important pour moi, il rend que me défend puis l'économie. Me défend puis l'économie qu'on y a pas capable encore parce que c'est là-dedans pour me prendre, pour me dépenser, pour me faire une série de bagages. Peu ça c'est un petit gens difficile pour moi parce que les cantines n'étaient là plus bon pour moi.
Oxfam is still supporting the women who were running the free food canteens. Now it's working with a local charity to distribute more efficient stoves, which burn less charcoal and are cheaper to run. Lucita Tessa ran one of the canteens for 2 months. When the Cash for Work scheme finished, she was able to carry on cooking, and now she sells her food to make a living.
Ready?
She's getting one of the new stoves and a 2-week training course on business development.
Les deux mouvements que façon que me vendre en gros et l'homme fini après ça il vient des monde qui était pas gagné du tout parce que gain monde nous fait bien. Monde qui était perdu foyer dans zone ça, il fait bien pile parce que là vient pour manger à midi, ils dit son bon travail. Now
she's back at work, Lucita can support her family again and develop her business. For people still trying to recover from the catastrophic earthquake, this is a small step in the right direction.